In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust opacity in Canva. This technique is particularly useful when you want to create visually appealing designs or when you need certain elements to blend into your background seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new canvas. Usually, you'll want to choose the size that suits your project requirements. You can select from various preset sizes or input custom dimensions, depending on your needs. Now with your canvas ready, we'll begin by adding some elements. Look over to the left side menu and spot the Elements tab. Clicking on it will reveal a wide array of options, from photos and videos to graphics and shapes, enabling you to add the desired element to your canvas. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on adding shapes, as opacity adjustments are particularly interesting when applied to solid colors and geometric figures. Once you've navigated to the Shape section, choose any shape that catches your fancy. Simply click on your chosen shape, and it will appear on your canvas. At this point, you might want to give your shape a custom touch. Canva allows you to change the color easily. Just click on your shape and look for the color box at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a color palette, allowing you to select the hue that best fits your design. You can even input a specific hex code if you already have one in mind. With our shape ready and styled, the next step is crucial for adjusting the opacity. Click directly on your shape to ensure it's selected. After selecting the shape, you should see a floating toolbar pop up, which hovers around or above the editing area. Here you'll find various tools at your disposal, but what we're interested in is the transparency slider. Now take a good look at this transparency option. Clicking on it will present a slider that ranges from 0 to 100. By default, your shape's opacity is set to 100, meaning the shape is fully opaque. Adjusting this slider towards the left will gradually make the shape more transparent. Simply slide it until you achieve the level of transparency you desire. This feature is especially useful if you need your shape to lay subtly over an image or text without overpowering it. And there you have it. You've now learned how to adjust opacity in Canva, a skill that adds a whole new dimension to your design toolkit. Mastering this will allow you to create designs that are not only attractive but also effective in conveying the intended message. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!